Hey, welcome back, everybody. So it's Saturday morning. It's about 10 a.m. Getting a little bit of a late start. I woke up at 6 to get everything loaded up, but I woke up with a headache, and I just didn't feel like fishing with a headache. I didn't want to ruin my day, so went back to bed for a little bit, had some coffee, got some work done, and then just now loaded up, got all my gear together, and we're gonna head out to a little lake that I've fished one time. I bank fished it once, and there wasn't too many good spots to bank fish, but it looked like a good place to put a boat or a kayak in. So it's about 20 minutes from the house. We're gonna go give it a try, and with the purpose on catching the first bass in the kayak, which would be nice. So this will be the third time taking the kayak out. So hopefully the third time's the charm. Oh yeah, what about these obnoxious, awesome sunglasses of mine? You guys like those? I just picked them up at Walmart yesterday or the day before. They're a brand called Filthy. I got them in the fishing aisle at Walmart. I liked them because they were bright and obnoxious. The purpose of that is if they fall in the water, I can identify them pretty quickly before they sink. I didn't want to run the risk of taking any of my Oakleys out and then I drop them in the water and then I'd be extremely upset because the water temperature is cold right now and I'm not jumping in the water after anything. Maybe a fishing rod if I lose it, but other than that, no. So yeah, we're heading to the lake. Stay tuned. Hopefully we catch some bass on the yak today. Well, we made it out to the little lake that I was talking about. It's at the park, and it is way overflowed. You can see behind me. You can see where there's a trash can back there. It's probably hard to see, but there used to be a little picnic table on the bench there, so the water is up pretty substantially high. The boat ramp is back there, and it's totally underwater. So we have a kayak, so it really doesn't affect us. Even though it's way overflowed, I'm still gonna put the kayak in and mess around for a bit and see what happens. Stay tuned. All right, everybody. So we made it out on the water. I got the fish finder hooked up. It's a little windy. It is pretty cool. So the water is 65 degrees, and right here is 12 feet deep. That's pretty neat. You guys can see that's my little Lawrence hook. I think it's the hook too. Tree. Caught a tree bass. I really just wanted to test this bad boy out, so I put it on. We got it in the mystery tackle box a couple months ago. Hadn't used it yet. So maybe we go with the chatterbait. You guys see that? In the trees. Alright, so we went black and blue chatterbait. We're going to this little cove area here and see what we can catch. If we can catch anything. It's in the trees, isn't it? You guys can see that when I'm in the tree. I'm in the tree really good. Time to go to the tree now. Let's see if I can pull myself to the tree with this. Man, actually pulling myself towards the tree. This is stupid, but I am doing it. Oh, I just got tangled in a tree, even worse. Boom, right back. Some little family of turtles in front of us. Try not to spook them. Well, guys and girls, this is going to be the end of our kayaking adventure for the day. Got no fish. We battled with the wind again. Had fun. Extremely comfortable in the kayak now. We made it back. Alright, so we didn't catch any fish out on the kayak. We went fishing. I don't even know the name of that lake. It's in Farmersville, like 20 minutes from the house. I had a good time out there, but I didn't catch any fish. So I'm going to my local little pond where I've been killing it the last few times out. I mean, I'm going to take 2 rods. I'm going to take limited tackle. I'm going to take a whopper plopper for when it gets dark. But I'm going to take the wacky rig with the zoom worms, of course. That's the money. And I'm going to go out there and catch a fish. That way we can have a video to upload. Nobody wants to watch a kayak video when you don't catch any fish, right? They want to watch a kayak video where you flip, or they want to watch a kayak video where you catch fish. And I did neither of those today. So we're going to go to my pond, and we're going to catch fish, and we're going to make a video. Alright, got the wacky rig on. Gotta break that Saturday skunk. Come on. Fish on. It's a nice one. Broke the skunk. Pond fishing. That didn't take long. I'm gonna catch one right in front of you, watch. Yep, I do now. Little dink. Black and blue spinner. Number 2. What is wrong with these fish?
Yeah, I bet a lot of the rock throwing scared them off.
Yeah, I'm sure.
For sure. Yeah, I had a couple bites off of the dam when I was feeling it was super flooded. Did you get one?
Yep.
Yep, you got one. Yeah.
I could barely feel them bite.
Yeah. Oh, it's a little sweet baby. It's so cute.
What did I catch with it?
Cute. Bunch of leaves and stuff.
Okay, look. There we go. My worm is gone.
Oh. Hey, little guy.
Look at that big fish. Look at it's huge. Right, 3.
Man,
How many have you caught?
1.
All right.
What are you big? So that's like, it was 50, right?
That should count as extra points.
Well, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm extremely sunburned from being out in the kayak pretty much all day. Unfortunately, like you guys saw in the video, we didn't catch a fish in the kayak today, but I still had a great time. I ended up going to my hunting hole, Bethany Lakes, where I always catch a fish. And I ran into my friend Fleur out there, so that's always fun, running into a fishing buddy. And then while I was out there, both of us met with Butch, one of our subscribers, which was pretty cool. He has a couple of kayaks, and he likes to kayak fish, so looks like I found a new person to go out and do some kayaking with, which would be awesome because going alone, it's cool and all, but it's more fun to go with somebody else, especially to talk trash and, you know, just be competitive and have a good time. So hopefully him and I will get out sometime soon and catch some fish on the kayak together. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. Doesn't hurt my feelings. We'll catch you on the next one.